How high will Arbitrum go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my Arbitrum price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Arbitrum to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Arbitrum is on place 39 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2 billion. The coin is existent since 2023 and we saw the all-time high this year in 2024. So Arbitrum is one of the newer coins, but also in the top 40 of all cryptocurrencies, and the chart is looking really bullish. Of course, we now saw a bigger retracement to the downside, but all cryptocurrencies and especially also Bitcoin are now going to the downside again. So we now see a bigger retracement at the crypto market. For example, Bitcoin now retraced about 20% to the downside. And Arbitrum just rejected 30%, and I think this is really good for an altcoin. But I think Arbitrum is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and it has a lot of potential to the upside. And if we have a look at the market cap again, there's much potential to the upside. I could imagine that we have a market cap in the bull run about $30 billion. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But if enough money flows into the crypto market and especially Arbitrum, the chance is high that we can see this kind of price targets. So I could imagine that we see a price target of $25 at the peak of the bull run for Arbitrum. And from the prices right now to a price target of $25, this would be an amazing potential of 1,400%. And I think this is a realistic price target for the next bull run. Of course, it's a very high price compared to the prices right now, but I see a lot of potential in Arbitrum. But if enough money flows into the crypto market, and if we are continuing this bullish trend, then the chances high that we can also explode over the last all-time high, especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF. The chances high that much money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, and if then enough money flows into Arbitrum, the chances high that we could see even higher prices. So we looked for potential price targets for Arbitrum, and now we are looking for potential buy areas. And as you can see, we are seeing this bullish trend. We now of course see a bigger retracement, but we are now in this very interesting demand area because this demand zone was to start to this highs right here. So the chance that we now can continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we are not breaking this demand zone to the downside, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a potential buy area for the long term for Arbitrum. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would definitely look at this demand zone right here, because after this longer consolidation we saw this push to the upside. So the chance that larger institutions are defending their positions right here is very high. So if we are coming back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great buy zone area for the long term for Arbitrum. And of course, the lower the prices are, the bigger is the potential to the upside from the percentage wise. So I think these two areas are great technical areas to buy some coins for the long term for Arbitrum. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Arbitrum, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again guys, I think Arbitrum has a potential of $25 for the next bull run. And this would be a potential of nearly 1,500%. And I think this is an amazing deal for Arbitrum. Of course guys, this is just a price prediction from the prices right now, but I think this is a realistic price target if enough money flows into the crypto market and especially also Arbitrum. And if you want to see my Radium price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.